Imagine you're chatting with a friend. Suddenly, they say something puzzling. You wonder, is it true? This scenario is becoming common with AI tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model. It generates responses based on data. But how reliable is it? It's essential to think critically about the information it provides. First, let's explore how ChatGPT works. It uses patterns from vast text data. It mimics human conversation but lacks understanding. This can lead to misleading or inaccurate responses. Next, consider the limits of AI. ChatGPT doesn't verify facts. It can provide outdated or biased information. This is crucial, especially in vital subjects like health or law. Now, let's talk about context. ChatGPT doesn't know the nuances of conversation. It might misunderstand your question. The response could be far from what you need. For example, if you ask for medical advice, ChatGPT might suggest a remedy. It's not a substitute for a doctor. An opinion from an AI can have serious consequences. When using ChatGPT, verify the information. Look for trusted sources. Don't base important decisions solely on its responses. In summary, ChatGPT is a tool, not a truth source. Always question the information you receive. Cross-check facts and stay safe from misinformation. As you continue, think critically. Use AI wisely, and don't hesitate to seek human expertise. The next time you engage with ChatGPT, remember to trust but verify. Your decisions matter, and so does the information you rely on.